In today's tutorial, let me show you how you can check your balance on Binance. It's a straightforward process, very easy, so make sure you watch the video until the end to follow the whole step. First, make sure you downloaded the latest version of your Binance app. So if not, go hop into your Play Store or if you're on Android, and App Store if you're using an iPhone. After downloading, open your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to Wallets. Here, you'll find an overview of your total balance. If you want to check your spot balance, click on the spot option at the top right. For your P2P balance, click on P2P, and there you have it. You can easily check your balance on Binance. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.